Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into my hands-on review of the Godox V100 Speedlight after using it across multiple photo shoots. And I've got plenty of real-world insights along with images I've captured showing you exactly how this light performs. Plus, I'll be comparing it head-to-head with a classic speedlight that many Nikon photographers know and trust, the Nikon SB-910, to see how the V100 stacks up in specs, weight, size, and features. When I first picked up the Godox V100, what immediately stood out was its build quality. It's compact, lightweight, and feels modern compared to some of the bulkier speedlights I've used in the past. The button layout is intuitive and it's got a very responsive 2.3-inch touchscreen display, and the menu system is very easy to navigate, something I definitely appreciated while shooting on the go. I used the V100 in a variety of scenarios, a model shoot, professional headshots, and even grabbed some quick on-location shots too. The recycle time is impressive. It keeps up well even when firing rapidly. The battery life held very strong across long sessions, which is huge for me since I don't want to have to constantly worry about swapping out batteries mid-shoot. In terms of light quality, the flash output was very consistent, especially since it could do up to 100 watts, and I noticed smooth transitions when bouncing the light or diffusing it through modifiers. Hold up. Quick interruption. We'll get back to the video in just a second. Now, are you tired of guessing your way through off-camera flash, building your portfolio, working with a model, or struggling to take better portraits in natural light? Yeah, I've been there.
Sign me up, because that's me.
Now is your time to learn from someone who's already made the mistakes so you don't have to. That's why I offer personal mentorship, online or in person. Whether you want to nail your lighting, sharpen your editing, or just want to stop making videos that look like crime scene footage, I got you. You don't have to figure this stuff out alone. Let's get your work looking like you actually meant to do it. Click the link below or head to robertsillphotography.com and let's get to work. Now, back to the video. Now, let's talk about how it compares to the Nikon SB-910, a speedlight that's been a workhorse for portrait photographers for years. The V100 is noticeably lighter and more compact, which makes a big difference when you're carrying multiple flashes or shooting handheld, which I've been known to do. Both are strong, but the V100 edges ahead with its ability to produce up to 100 watts of light. The V100 has built-in 2.4G wireless compatibility, pairing seamlessly with Godox's system of triggers and lights, a feature that the SB910 lacks without additional accessories. The V100 uses rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, while the SB910 relies on alkaline AA batteries. That means faster recycling and less hassle with the V100. The SB910's menu feels dated compared to the fully intuitive touchscreen of the V100. So, while the Nikon SB910 is reliable and has been trusted for years, the Godox V100 brings modern convenience and integration that really helps streamline a photographer's workflow. Here are some of my favorite shots I've captured using the Godox V100. You'll notice how well it handles skin tones, the consistent output, and the ability to create both soft, natural light, and bold, dramatic looks when paired with modifiers. So after using the V100 across numerous shoots, my verdict is it's a powerful, reliable, and modern speedlight that checks off all the boxes for portrait photographers. If you've already invested in the Godox ecosystem, have a wireless trigger already, well, it's a no-brainer. Even if you've been loyal to the Nikon flashes like the SB910, the V100 offers a lighter, faster, and I just absolutely love the fully touchscreen that's integrated, and that option right there, it makes it worth checking out. I'll definitely be keeping this flash in my bag for future shoots. I'll leave a link down below for you to check out the flash for yourself. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more photography reviews and tutorials, and drop a comment down below. Let me know, have you used the Godox V100 before? And let me know what you think about it. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.